If you're looking how to do the Luma Fade Transition in Premiere Pro, stick around and I'll show you how in a couple of minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Giovanni Pino, and if this video helps you, please let me know in the comments and give it a like so it can help others who may need to watch this video. Once your footage is in the timeline, we need to make sure that the clips we want to have the transitions, they need to be overlapping each other. We do this by dragging each clip under and on top of each other. Next, we go to the Effect panel and look for Gradient Wipe, and we drag it onto the first clip. Now we select that clip and go to the Effect Control panel. Down here we have the Gradient Wipe effect with different parameters to work with. To get the transition that we want, here in the transition completion we go to the end of the clip and create a keyframe giving it 100%. Then we go back to where the overlaps starts and we create another keyframe with 0%. This will create a fading transition, starting with the darkest colors to the lighter ones from each clip. After that, we go to transition softness, and we can increase it to around 30. The next option is to invert the gradient, which it will make the transition start from highlights instead from the shadows. The other parameter is gradient layer, which picks from which layer the fading transition will start from. If we want the transition to start from the beginning of the clip, we repeat the same process, but the only difference is that the keyframe in the transition completion starts with 100 and then fades down to 0. And that's it. If you're looking how to fake the fish eye lens look in Premiere Pro, make sure to check this tutorial right here. Also, if this video was helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials to come.